Hi guys, my name is Elizabeth.
And my hidden talent is that I am actually pretty strong. I compete in obstacle course racing, and at only 5 feet, it is very hard for me to actually complete some of those tasks, but it's never stopped me from competing and actually winning this race. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think.
Mama, come on.
10.
Catch your breath. Relax. Come on, no.
Ah. Go!
Come on.
Let's go. Come on, you
Go, Ellie!
Come on, Ellie.
Go! Oh my goodness.
Catch your breath.
Let's go!
Straight, go!